Hi team, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. Today's workout is 5 minutes long and it's going to be targeting on improving your posture. If you find that recently that you've noticed that your shoulders are starting to round a little bit, or you're not quite happy with the way you are standing because you are maybe looking at your phone too long, or maybe you are sitting at the desk and over your computer for your work, then this is the workout for you. This workout can actually be done every single day because it's not too strenuous on the body or the muscles. And at the end of it, I will give you a little bit of a quick stretch to sort of release through that tension of the shoulders if you need it. Each workout will be about a minute long with no breaks in between, but if you want to take one, that is totally fine. Or if you want to continue on or maybe do it for even a little bit longer, that is totally okay as well. If you like these types of videos where it's targeting specific areas of the body that you want to improve, whether it's your posture, it is your back muscles, or maybe a bit of balancing or mobility, please let me know by leaving some comments below. Definitely liking this video and maybe subscribing or sharing with a friend, as it will really help my small channel to grow. Let's find that little bit of a space in the house, team, whether you're standing or sitting, and we can get started.
All right, team, let's get started with our first move. As said in the introduction, you can do this standing like I am, or you can do it actually sitting down as long as the back of your chair is not too high up. First move is just a pull back, arms holding into like an L shape, pulling your arms back. Squeezing that shoulder blades together so that we take away the rounding of the shoulders, especially if you've been sitting all day long and you tend to hunch forward a little bit. We're just trying to counteract that movement, squeezing the back muscles as well. So it doesn't have to go too far behind you, but just make sure your elbows are at length with your shoulders or a little bit above the collarbone line. You can take a rest if your shoulders are sore or just keep going. Next move is the hands go behind the head. We're just going to clap the elbows forward and back. So elbows come in, pointing to me, and then goes back. Hands just gently behind the head, not to pull on the neck too much. Again, this can be done sitting down, just making sure if you are sitting though, you are lifting up through your torso. Tummy muscles are pulled in so you're not sort of sagging in the belly area, because you want to maintain that neutral spine and not be hunched in other parts of the spine area. Good, all right, have a shake out if you need to, otherwise keep going. And the next move is just pulling your arms straight and then going backwards like little big circles, nice and controlled. So making sure the hands go behind your shoulders now. So we're pulling it back because you want to unround your shoulders basically. But at the same time, just be cautious. Sometimes people tend to lift the shoulders up so it's close to the ears. You want to keep it nice and low and then start to pull the arms back nice and straight behind you. Again, belly is pulled into the spine. Doesn't have to be very fast, just make sure it's nice and controlled for me. Okay, next move coming up, if you can look at the picture below, the arms are going to go up but behind your head, and then you're just going to bend the elbows and tap the hand to one shoulder blade, then go up to the other shoulder blade. So a lot of the times if your upper back is a little bit rounded or you don't have that mobility in the shoulders, you may not get your hands so low, but try not to drop your chin all the way down to the chest so that you're curved. Keep your body upright. Keep your head straight, so a little bit of space underneath the chin, like maybe you're holding a little peach there, so that you still have a neck basically. You're aiming to have a neck while you're doing your shoulder mobility movements. to help that posture. It's not a big deal if your hands don't go too low. Remember, over time you can do this multiple times a day. You can do it every day to help you get better at it. All right, last move. We're going to link the hands behind us and just try to keep the hands away from your lower back and glute area. So squeezing it back with control. So a little bit of the back of the arms will get stronger as well. Let's see how you're just trying to counteract that rounding again in the shoulders. All the moves are just tailored to pull back your shoulders. As you're doing at the start, obviously these movements are very conscious, but over time when it becomes a habit, naturally, hopefully, you'll be able to pull your shoulders back without that rounding to help fix up your posture. So after this, I'm just going to give you a quick little stretch with the shoulders because they may be a little bit tingly, a little bit sore, a little bit tired. But 10 more seconds, or shake it out early if you need to. This one is probably the only move you can't do without sitting down unless you don't have a back on your chair. All right, just give those shoulders a bit of a roll forwards and then maybe backwards as well. This is where you can take your shoulders all the way up to the ears and pull it back. Just loosening up some of that tension. Pull one arm across the chest and the head looking towards the slide where the arm is pulled, and then swap over. Good. Hug the arms, one crosses over the other, chin tucks in. Just try to imagine you're reaching the hands behind your back and then swap to the other side so the other arm is coming on top, and just give yourself that little bit of hug and rounding. And then push the hands behind you, lift up through the chin, opening up through the chest, and let the shoulders pull down. Perfect, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know how you go, but feel free to keep trying as you'll get better over time. See you on the next one. Bye.